How customers act once they are exposed. I want to say it like that because I want to tell you a small little story of something that happened to me here in the Oklahoma City area. Had a client that I did some work for. Everything went good on the job. I was paid for the work. We talked at his house. Everything went smooth. Later, he gave me his number. Hey man, reach out to me. We can network. I said, all right, bet. I'm new to the area, so I want to network. So I reached out a little, after, not like right after, but a little after, a few weeks. Hey man, what's going on? How things going? Didn't have no response. So I'm like, well, maybe, he didn't get it. So I sent another response maybe a day later. I'm like, man, no response. So I'm like, it's funny. I thought he wanted to network. Later, time go by. They see you steady doing what you're doing. You growing in the city. Now they start seeing that your actions are speaking louder than words. Now you got something again that they really need. So they hit you up. Hey man, I see what you're doing. I've been liking and sharing your stuff. I've been telling people about you. Hey, I really got this product. I want to mess with you. I want to network with you. You thinking to yourself like, you don't remember me hitting you up? You never responded. I thought you didn't mess with me. Oh man, I just had a lot. You couldn't even respond. Well, let's network now. We can barter. I can really help you out. I put your name on the side of my little deal we can't network like that. We can stick it with business because I tried to network with you. You didn't want to network with me like that because I wasn't an asset. You thought I was just blowing smoke. I was just talking about my container conversions and what I was doing. Now I'm actually doing them. Now you want to network with me. This has happened on a few different occasions. And I can't say it's just a white thing because I'd be lying. A white gentleman has done it to me and a black gentleman has done it to me. And I only want to talk about those two because both of them I thought we was going to do a little networking. But as you see, a person don't value your value until you are valuable to them. HogOn.